I'm a design engineer for Star Refrigeration, based out of the Bristol office. Our head office is in Thornleybank, Glasgow, so I work closely remotely with a team from Glasgow, a wider team of 20 odd people. So I get projects that come in via technical appraisal. I then review the information that's been given to me, design a product or system based on that information that then goes to our customer and gets installed on our customer sites.
So to be honest with you, I never thought I'd be going into the refrigeration industry, especially not the industrial side. I didn't even realise this sort of size equipment existed before. There was no intention with it at all, to be honest. It just so happened that the opportunity came about as I applied for the apprenticeship through the government website, and thankfully I was lucky enough to get through the interview stages and then get on site, and it was sort of a big thing really. Quite intimidating at first, with all this big equipment, not ever seeing this sort of thing before. But thanks to the guys, they've all been really welcoming and good at explaining stuff, so it's not been an issue at all. I've learned a lot in the past 2 years, and that's purely down to the guys at Star.
So what makes me feel good in my job is seeing a product get developed from an initial concept to a 2D CAD model. Then that 2D CAD model then will go to the manufacturer, the product will get manufactured, and then seeing it as a reality in the end, seeing pictures and seeing it in real life operating how it should be designed, which is brilliant.
Yeah, so when I was first looking for an apprenticeship which involved hands-on experience, I wasn't actually aware of the refrigeration industry. I was quite naive into the amount of industries that were out there when I was younger, and especially to the industrial scale that we work towards. Working on multi-million-pound refrigeration plants on a daily basis and being responsible for customers that are the biggest in the world.
The quality of the people that form Star is second to none. There's really no better people I've found in the industry out there. The guidance I get, the support and the training that people can give to me is up there with the best.
My current role is ST3 engineer, and I'm just striving for continual progression up to the ST grading criteria that we have internally. And I'm open to further opportunities because in this industry, especially at Star Refrigeration, there's many opportunities that can arise.
So in Star, we constantly drive for better for customer performance. It's something everyone at Star is quite passionate about. We try and deliver the best systems and products that we can.
My educational background, once getting the qualifications at school, I then went on to engineering college. This was for a year to progress to level 2 engineering technology. And then since then, I was then looking for an apprenticeship because I believe that was where my career was kind of more suited, being hands-on and on the tools, especially after having that year's experience at college. So once I then gained that experience, I was then looking for an apprenticeship, so I joined a competitor to Star, began my apprenticeship with them, but an opportunity to join Star came along, and at that point it was an opportunity I couldn't turn down.
So currently I'm still on the apprenticeship scheme, so I've just finished my second year now, going into the third year. After this third year, that should be the apprenticeship complete, obviously subject to things getting finished on time, etc. I'd like to move up the internal grading system. Seems like there's some really good opportunities for that, but I'd also in the future like to potentially do some further education through the Star salary sacrifice scheme and get sponsorship to do some other form of qualification within engineering.
I feel like I'm working for a business that drives for sustainability, both within the business and externally. We're really passionate about energy efficient systems and installing the best equipment in the industry.
A personal career highlight was being involved in the installation and commissioning of the largest cold store in Europe at the time, and this was a success. So this subsequently got an award at the ACR award ceremony in 2020.
The people and the processes make my job so easy. I really love coming to work, sitting down in the morning, having a coffee before I start, and then working with the best people in the industry as my day goes on, and always coming away from work at the end of the day feeling like I've achieved something.
If there's ever something you're in doubt about, you can always ask someone, ask questions, and you'll always get an answer. You know you're going to get an answer. and every day is different. That's the best thing. Always exposed to different plant equipment, whether that be big industrial ammonia CO2 cascade systems, or that be just a basic DX system. It's all different, and every day's a learning day. That's the best thing about Star.
So yeah, the passion has just grown for being hands-on and experience, and the refrigeration industry covers a wide range of opportunities, whether it be the technology that's advancing continually, working on old systems, but all of this combines to such a wide industry, working on multi-million pound refrigeration plants and being responsible for this and carrying out repairs, maintenance, call-outs, install, commissioning. That just makes me proud to be able to do a good job.
Every day's a school day, so I say. You can come into work with a new challenge every day, and if I come away at the end of the day feeling like I've learnt just one thing, that's a good day.
So whilst at Star, I'm always feeling like there's new tasks and there's new challenges ahead, especially within the internal grading system. As an apprentice, there's a set of criteria that I need to follow, and I need to meet that criteria to get a pay rise, for example, or to progress within the company. You look at a curved graph, and I always put myself somewhere on that graph and think, right, okay, I'm at this point. Say the bottoms, you know nothing, the tops, you know everything. Somewhere along that graph, I don't know where I am, but I know as long as I'm moving upwards, it's good.